You spend hours walking every single day. You obsess over that magic number 10,000, and still your body barely changes. You've hit a wall. Frustrating, isn't it? But it's not your fault. Your body is built to adapt. The more you walk, the more efficient you get, and suddenly those same 10,000 steps stop working. That's the law of diminishing returns, and it's working against you. Here's the catch. A team of Japanese researchers, led by Hiroshi Noze at Shinshu University, found a smarter way to walk. Twice the results in half the time, no step counting required. It's called interval walking training, or IWT, and almost no one outside Japan is talking about it. What makes it wild? People who do IWT don't just drop weight. They see huge jumps in aerobic fitness, real gains in leg strength, and better blood pressure in as little as 30 minutes a day. The secret isn't walking more, it's walking smarter. No gear, no treadmill, no gym. Why isn't 10,000 enough? It eats up 1 to 2 hours a day, and your body adapts until you flatline. It's like curling the same dumbbell for months. Works at first, then nothing. The breakthrough is dead simple. Instead of one steady pace, you alternate. 3 minutes slow, 3 minutes fast. Repeat 5 times. That's it, 30 minutes, done. The payoff? Lower blood pressure, up to 40% less stroke risk, stronger muscles, better sleep. And people actually enjoy it because it trains your body to use oxygen more efficiently. Here's how to do it right. Warm up for 3 to 5 easy minutes. Then hit your intervals. 3 minutes comfortable, 3 minutes brisk, like you're late for a flight. 5 rounds, then cool down. Use the talk test. On the fast stretch, you should be able to talk but not sing. That's the sweet spot. Then make it harder. Think progressive overload, but for walking. As your body adapts, raise the bar, walk uphill, add a weighted vest, stretch to 45 minutes. Every upgrade keeps your body guessing and your results compounding. And unlike brutal HIIT, IWT feels good. That enjoyment builds consistency, and consistency is the real fat burner. Who should try it? Almost everyone. Hate the gym? No equipment needed. Carrying extra weight? It won't hammer your knees. Older? Japanese studies found real benefits for seniors too. Low impact, high return. So next time you chase that 10,000 step goal, remember, it's not how much you walk, it's how you walk. If stagnant results have been driving you crazy, this might be the simplest upgrade you ever make. Drop a comment and tell me how your first session feels. But walking is just one secret. Want to know how the Japanese stay slim naturally without obsessing over steps or diets? Watch the next video. I'll see you